Meaning of John Wycliffe.
John Wycliffe.
John Wycliffe.
John Wycliffe.
John Wycliffe. John Wycliffe was an English theologian and reformer who lived in the 14th century. He is best known for his translation of the Bible into English, which was a groundbreaking achievement at the time. Wycliffe's teachings and writings had a significant impact on the Protestant Reformation, particularly in regards to his advocacy for the translation of the Bible into vernacular languages and his criticism of the corrupt practices of the Church. He is sometimes referred to as the Morning Star of the Reformation.